Apple enthusiasts, the new iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max are here, and they bring a host of impressive upgrades designed to enhance your smartphone experience. From an advanced cooling system to rapid charging capabilities, larger displays and improved battery life, these models are poised to set new standards in technology. Here's a detailed look at what makes the iPhone 16 series exceptional. Innovative cooling system. A standout feature of the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max is their enhanced cooling technology. Apple has implemented a stainless steel casing for the batteries paired with advanced graphene sheets. This new thermal management system keeps the devices cooler and ensures they operate more efficiently, even during resource-intensive activities like gaming or video recording. This improvement not only optimizes performance but also helps in extending the device's longevity. Accelerated charging. The iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max come with significantly improved charging speeds. They support up to 40W fast charging, whether you use wired or wireless methods. This upgrade drastically reduces charging time, allowing you to quickly power up your phone and minimize downtime. For users with busy schedules, this means less time tethered to an outlet and more time using your device. The faster charging feature enhances overall convenience and helps keep you connected throughout your day. Expanded and enhanced displays. Apple has made notable improvements to the display sizes in the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 16 Pro's screen has grown to 6.3 inches from 6.1 inches, while the Pro Max now features a 6.9-inch display, up from 6.8 inches. These larger screens provide more space for viewing content, making them ideal for both productivity and entertainment. Additionally, the new displays offer better brightness and color accuracy, resulting in more vibrant and lifelike visuals. This upgrade ensures a richer and more immersive viewing experience. Longer battery life. Battery life enhancements are another key upgrade in the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 16 Pro benefits from a 9.28% increase in battery capacity, which translates to longer usage between charges. Users can expect extended screen-on time and fewer interruptions for recharging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max also sees an improvement, with a 5.7% increase in battery size. Although the boost is smaller compared to the Pro model, it still contributes to longer battery life, supporting extensive use for multimedia, gaming, and productivity. Enhanced camera capabilities. The iPhone 16 Pro also features significant upgrades to its camera system. It now includes an advanced ultrawide lens that captures wider shots, allowing for more expansive images of your surroundings. Additionally, a new dedicated capture button simplifies photo taking, enabling quicker and more intuitive snaps. These enhancements improve both the efficiency and versatility of the camera, making it easier to capture those spontaneous moments. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max offer impressive advancements in cooling, charging, display size, battery life, and camera functionality. These upgrades make them strong candidates for your next smartphone upgrade. Stay tuned for further updates and remember to like and subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews.